Hello, it's Mike from HobbyPrint. I'm just going to take you through downloading the correct driver for your Sublimation printer bundle. That will be based on the WF2110W printer. So let's get into the driver, locating the driver. So we will go to the epson.co.uk website. And we're going to navigate through to support, scroll down the page, and we've got a search by product name here. Let's bob in our model, and there we go, it's already found it. Now on this page it's going to offer you everything that they have available for the printer for you to download. We only want you to download the drivers. Your printer will have been set up, the chips, etc., to match the driver version 3.01. So please ignore all the others and just download this. So all you would do is click on and click download, and you can see it's already downloading here. You can either double click here, just click there to gain access, or you can go into your download folder on your computer to gain access. Now I'm going to make the point, before we start loading this, I'm going to make the point, if you select any other driver it could cause chip recognition issues. Don't panic about it, just give us a call, we should be able to get you out of that. But it's much smoother if you download the driver that we've set your printer bundle to. So let's get on here. So it's asking you, do you want to make changes to your device, computer, etc. The answer to that, of course, is yes. Now we've got the box up here. You may want to set the printer as default, that's fine if that's the only one you have. I don't, but automatically update software. We don't want to do that. All we want on your computer is the driver to work the printer. We don't need any additional software, and we don't need to update firmware. Invariably, once the printer's working okay, you never update the firmware, because what will happen if you do is you may find that your cartridges, particularly if they've got auto reset chips on them, will no longer work. It's just one of the little tricks that these companies employ, and you can't blame them really. So select your language, you've got to agree, let's agree, and there you go. I've already turned on the printer and connected the USB lead to speed things up, and the software will find it and set your port for you. That's it, that is the procedure. It is very simple. Not much goes wrong, but should you have problems, just give us a call and we can normally get you up and running and fixed very, very quickly. Thanks.